If you value true comfort, you've surely looked towards FlexForm. FlexForm sofas are an investment that doesn't depreciate. Over 20 years, the brand has created dozens of models, and it's important to choose the one that fits your interior in 2026. Today we'll review the FlexForm sofa line from our Foshan factory and see why FlexForm sofas are the true kings of living rooms. Let's start with the absolute leader, the Groundpiece model. If you're looking for that iconic FlexForm everyone recognizes, this is it. Its main feature is a low silhouette and functional saddle leather shelving instead of armrests. The factory uses original manufacturing technology, replicating every detail. Groundpiece is a modular sofa that can define the architecture of a small or very spacious living room. If you don't know which FlexForm to choose, go with Groundpiece. You can't go wrong. It's an investment that won't lose its value. If Groundpiece is a classic, then Camelot is the sofa for those seeking a sophisticated aesthetic. Here, designer Antonio Citerio moved away from familiar forms and focused on the contrast of materials. In this model, the sofa's structure is exposed on the outside. The combination of noble wood and cold metal creates a striking frame where bulky cushions literally float. Camelot looks less formal and much softer. It's a sofa that invites you to relax just by looking at it. A key advantage of this model is its adaptability. Camelot can be a concise two-seater for an office or a huge configuration for a spacious living room. Our managers will help assemble any length and shape for your project. Working with our factories in China, you're not limited in your choice of finishes. Camelot looks completely different depending on the upholstery. We can make it in premium leather for a stricter look or in tactile textiles to enhance the feeling of softness. It lacks unnecessary rigidity. It's a perfect balance of modern design and that homey feel often missing in minimalist interiors. If you don't like massive forms that visually clutter a space, take a look at Soft Dream. This is one of the most elegant models in the collection, where the name 100% matches the feel. The main idea of this design is to create a floating effect. Visually, the sofa seems weightless due to its thin metal base, yet it retains that legendary seating depth. Our Foshan factory exactly replicates the original's construction. From the proportions of the cast legs to the multi-layered cushion filling, Soft Dream is the perfect solution for interiors where it's vital to keep an airy feel and highlight the grace of every line. The Gregory model is the quintessence of the quiet luxury style. Here, luxury is revealed in the details. The uniqueness of Gregory lies in its visual honesty. The base is made as a sleek metal frame, complemented by leather straps. This technique refers to the traditions of leather handcraft, where every strap and every stitch highlights the value of the materials. This design not only creates a recognizable graphic silhouette, but also provides resilient, long-lasting support. This sofa is designed to look flawless from any angle. It's perfect for zoning spacious halls and living rooms, where furniture isn't hidden against a wall, but becomes the central element of the composition. Gregory will harmoniously fit into both a sleek masculine interior and a bright modern classic. It's the choice for those seeking a balance between visual lightness and uncompromising attention to detail. So you don't spend weeks searching for that perfect sofa or table. We at GLOBUS have gathered everything in one place. Our website features a full catalog of furniture, lighting, plumbing, and decor, where items are already selected for quality and relevance. You can simply follow the link in the description, check the prices, and try these solutions for your project. This will save you dozens of hours of searching. Harper is a sofa for those who value clean lines and dislike unnecessary items in an interior. Take note of its unique solution with the armrests. In this model, the armrest transforms into a full-fledged storage system or a functional table. Finished in veneer or upholstered in leather, these consoles are integrated into the frame, so that the sofa looks like a single architectural form. An important point is the scale. The original in this configuration, measuring almost 5 by 3.5 meters, costs from $50,000 in Europe. And that's just the starting price excluding logistics. At GLOBUS, this same sofa costs our client $8,910. You get the same materials, the same goose down, and flawless aesthetics, but without the multiple markups for the brand and the maintenance of European galleries. Harper, as produced by our factory, is perhaps the clearest example of how modern luxury becomes a wise investment in your comfort. The Alfred model is the choice for those seeking a balance between FlexForm's sleekness and soft, almost classic lines. This is one of the coziest sofas in our collection. Its main feature is the embracing shape of the frame. Alfred is designed to create a sense of security. Due to its rounded corners, it looks less formal than the Groundpiece and is perfect for creating an intimate, relaxed atmosphere. Alfred brings softness to an interior while remaining a model of high style and understated Italian luxury. Concluding our review, the Bretton model, it's the choice of minimalists who love an emphasis on materials. In Bretton, the leather base becomes the main decorative element. The combination of a rigid leather frame and plush fabric cushions creates a very high-end contrast. Concise, rigorous, and very stylish. Bretton is the perfect balance between modern minimalism and the classic quality of FlexForm. As you can see, the FlexForm model range can meet absolutely any request, from architectural rigor to enveloping home comfort. At GLOBUS, we focus on what matters most, so that your furniture from China is identical to the world's best examples in material quality and feel. If you're interested in a specific model or want to see more live reviews, message our managers right now. Send us your projects for a quote, and we'll help you realize the interior of your dreams at the highest level.